Welcome, and following is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now the S Ultra only takes a SIM card, or two to be more precise, and no SD card, unlike the, I believe, other ones, although I might be wrong. So anyway, number one, we will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. Once you have it, I'm gonna pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom next to the charging port. Now, if you pay attention, there's two little holes right here. The one closer to the USB-C charging port is just a microphone, while the one that is part of the tray is the one that you want to push into. So anyway, I'll just grab this, and once you push it in, you can see the tray pops out just ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it, take it out. And on here you have space for a SIM card on either side. So you can use either one, it doesn't really matter. You can use obviously both as well. Put the SIM card on here now. Do pay attention when you're putting it in. There's nothing holding those cards in place apparently. For a device of this cost, that's a little bit of an oversight, though it looks like this side might actually hold it. Yep, and this one holds it. Oops, I just dropped it, so yeah, for some reason the first one doesn't have anything that holds the card in place. So you'll be looking for something exactly in, let's see, this area. Oh, for goodness sake. So if you look at it right here, hopefully you can get the light, you have this little plastic part which pushes the card, so it gets stuck. On the other side, you don't actually have this. It's just flat, so the card just falls out. So what I recommend to do is using the tray number 2, which actually holds the card in. Now the reason why I think it's done like this is because the number 1 is basically laying this way, so when you're popping it in, it shouldn't really fall out because it's laying on this, unlike the other one. But if you flip the phone over, that's the exact opposite way, Samsung. So anyway, once you pop it in, these cards should immediately start working no matter which tray you occupied. So on mine I have a pin, so I can quickly confirm that. And there we go. So anyway, this is basically how you'd insert your SIM card into this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.